its occurrence as one. That means a a two letter word has occurred once. Okay. Similarly, let's say the third word is put. Okay. So again the length will be 3. Okay. Then again we will assign the occurrence as 1. So, so likewise, you will be sorting it. So this part, okay, this logic we are saying, we'll cover it in our map phase. Okay. Now what? Okay, this is your map phase. Now what your reducer will do? What your reducer will do once you get this pair? Okay, once you get this pair, okay, then what you do is in reducer you need to aggregate it. How will you aggregate? You that now these lengths will be your keys. Okay, so what you'll do, the reducer will get 3 and a bag of its occurrence. Okay, likewise. Okay, similarly, let's say 4 letter word and we have let's say 3 4 letter words. Now the reducer will aggregate this occurrence. Okay, and the final result which you will get is that you have a 3 letter word which has occurred in the file twice. Okay, 2 letter word which has occurred, let's say, 10 times. Okay, 4 letter words, let's say it has occurred 5 times. Okay, so likewise you will get the output. Okay, got it? This is what we basically want in the file, no? Yes or no? Guys, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Achal, did you understood the problem which we shared yesterday?
Yes.
Okay, so basically I was discussing the logic which we need to cover. So I just told that map, basically in the mapper logic, what we need to do is we tokenize the words, we find the length of it. Okay, and based on the length, let's say if the length is 3, so we'll give the occurrence of 3 to be 1. Okay, because eventually we want that how many letter words are there in the file, alphabet count we basically want. Okay, similarly for is, let's say it's a two letter word, so it has occurred once. Put, 3 letter word, it has occurred once. So this is what we need to cover in your mapper logic. In the reducer, since now the counts, the basically the length of the word will be our key and its occurrence will be our values. So reducer will aggregate the uh, occurrence of the length of the words. Okay, and eventually we'll get the output like that. Okay, so this is what we need to cover in both reducer and mapper. So did you try it out?
I tried, but I could not I referred to internet as well.
Mm-hmm.
I have few doubts in the code.
Mm-hmm.
So like I am not sure whether if it is working, whether it was working, but
Mm-hmm.
I could not understand the like algorithm behind that. So
Okay.
like right now I understood what the problem statement was and how it was
Mhm.
being solved.
Yes, yes. So this is what the logic which is working behind. Okay. So what you can do is you can try it out. Like whatever code you have tried out, no, see that the code, the mapper logic is working according to this way, and the reducer is working this way or not. Or if they have applied something else, then you can look out that what basically they are trying to do, how they have approached this problem. Okay. So
Okay.
yeah. Yes. Anyone else? Did you all get the logic, the flow, how we need to proceed? Yes, guys, at least say yes or no. Okay. So now can you try that? Okay. What I'll do is I give you, let's say, 10-15 minutes. Okay. According to this logic, try to frame the mapper and the reducer logic. Okay. And then we will discuss that how we will be proceeding. Got it? Take 10-15 minutes, just brainstorm that how you will be doing, and then we will discuss it. Okay. We'll complete this problem today itself only. Okay. You have yeah, like 3:30 we'll see that we'll discuss the problem again. Okay. So by the time I want you all to write something, some logic, how how the mapper will be or how the reducer will be. Okay. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah.
Ma'am, I can try one, like I can try to say
Mm-hmm.
start like in between. Like instead of text, like output should be of mapper and like output of the output of the mapper should
Mm-hmm.
be in int-writable format instead of text.
Mm-hmm.
And like in reducer, the input should be instead of text, the output like it should be both input and output should be in int-writable
Inflatable.
format.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. That
That's
way you are right. Yeah.
yeah.
Hmm.
Thank you.
Yes. Anyone else? Nagathim, Sorokaivam, Koshinder, you guys, Birchand, Ashish, you are you all trying out? Okay. Yes. Any point where you are getting any success or something, guys? नहीं तो मैं फिर डिस्कस करूँ. मैं आपको कोड फिर एक्सप्लेन कर देती हूँ. ठीक है. I'll share the code with you later. Okay. Is it fine? Or you still want to try it yourself and then we should discuss the code? Okay, all of you are here. Okay. Okay, so I'll explain the code to you. Okay, and I'll share the code with you later. If you find any queries or anything, if you want to discuss that, then we can discuss it on Monday as well. Okay, so I'll share the screen with you. Okay, so see here. Yeah. So see here, we have written this alphabet count, uh, the class which we have created. Okay, we have this mapper which is extending basically alphabet mapper, alpha count mapper, and it is extending the mapper. Now, as Archel said, that since we'll be having the input, okay, as we discussed in the previous one as well, that input will be the offset value and the complete line. Okay, so for mapper, the input will be the offset value which is in long writable and the text which is the complete line. Okay, but what would be the output? Output will be both int writable. Okay, why int writable? Because see, the output we are generating with the mapper is this. Okay, here key is also an integer type of value and output is also an integer type of value. Okay, so this is what your mapper will generate as an output. Okay, so likewise your input output will be both int writable. Okay, now what we have done is we have created a variable called one. Okay, and we have assigned this one variable the value in int writable as one. ठीक है. अब you see here what logic we are writing. See, we are taking the complete line, okay, from the from as the value, okay, because we know the mapper is having the value as text format. Okay, so what we are doing, we are we are capturing the complete line. Okay, now instead of here, see, two ways can be that either you tokenize the words. Okay, you can use this how we tokenize these words. Okay, or what you can do is what here we have done is that since I want to apply a loop here. Okay, I'm applying a for loop here. Why? Because वो क्या कर रहा है, वो line by line read करेगा and then it will generate the count for the word, because we basically what we want is कि वो count generate करे हमारे word के लिए. ठीक है, length of the word. Okay, so we are splitting each word with the space. Okay, so between the spaces we will consider the word, and once we get the words, what we are doing, we are counting, right, and we are calculating the length of that word. And once we calculate the length of the word, we are assigning the variable one which has the value as one. ओके, सो गॉट द पॉइंट कि हमने वर्ड को सॉरी लाइन को स्प्लिट किया स्पेस के बेसिस पे, and we converted those into words, and what we are doing is then we are calculating, counting the length of the word and assigning its occurrence as one. Okay, like what we were doing in the word count. Okay, there we were doing कि हम बस word को tokenize कर रहे थे और tokenize करने के बाद we were just assigning the occurrence as one. ठीक है, here we are assigning the occurrence to the length of the word. Okay, so the output we will get in this format. Okay, it will count each and every word length and it give the occurrence as 1111. Okay, so this is the input, this is the output mapper will generate. Now what will be the input? Input will be both int yes, int input होगा, and the output will be also int because here key also will be आउटपुट तो हमारा इसी फॉर्म में जनरेट होना है ना, राइट. So that will be int writable, right? Then what we are doing is we are setting a count variable. Then what we are doing, int writable values. Okay, we are taking this, okay, value, and then we are generating the count. Basically we are doing the aggregation. Okay, like what we were doing here. So if you see here and here, the logic is very similar. Okay, so this is the aggregation we are doing. Got it? Okay, rest of the thing, that your alphabet count, your mapper, reducer, all these things will eventually remain same. Okay, so this is what you can do. Okay, so now let's just try it out, this code. Okay, let's execute it. Okay. Okay. Okay, so let's create a new project, Java project. Okay, so guys, जिनको प्रॉब्लम था कि थोड़ा सा स्टेप्स फॉलो करने में, how the MapReduce steps are following, so please keep a note here again. Okay, see closely. I need to generate a new project. So file, new Java project. Okay, uh, okay, so you can give your project name as uh, alpha count. Okay, then next. Okay, this will be the same and finish. So we have created the count, the project. Okay, now I'll right click on this project and go to new and create a new class. Okay, so I'll give the class name as um, alpha count. Okay, public, ठीक है, public static void main finish. Okay, so this is there. Now I'll go to this control all copy. Okay, it will not do that. Right. Okay, and save. Okay. Now we need to check the name of the Java file. So this is the name of the class, alpha and capital C. Okay. Okay. So this is the first change. Then another change will be here. Yes. Okay. And rest of the things will be removed by the um, files. Sorry, not export. Add external jars. Build path. Configure build path. Libraries. Add external jars. Yes. So every red mark is removed. Save. Okay. Now go to the export jar file we need to create. Go to next. Let's name it easy dot jar. Okay. Next. Next. Name class alpha count. Okay. Finish. Okay. So your jar file is created. This is your jar file. Okay. Let's go to the terminal and let's check for the file if this file is existing. So do fs-ls slash are we having this file? No. So this is alphabets count. Okay. How do fs input slash it's not identifying it as that. Okay. So the file is here. Okay. Now do jar input file. Oh, sorry. Your jar file. So home Cloudera uh, stop slash slash alex dot txt and output directory. Let's call it easy score out. Okay, and enter. Okay, so it is executed. Now let's ls. Sorry, it's again wrong. So that will replace cat. See, this is the output we are getting. Just a second. Why we're getting it like that? Just a second. What is the input file by the way? Okay, second. Okay, fine. The output is yes, the output is correct. Okay. So see here, the zero length of a word is saying it as one. Okay. So this is what I'm confused about. That zero letter word is nothing, but why it is saying as one. Okay. So that we need to check out. Okay. Apart from this first output we are getting, rest of the thing is completely fine, that a one letter word is occurring once, two letter word is 7 times, three letter word 10 times, four letter word 17 times, five letter eight, six letter 6 times, seven letter 6 times, eight letter word 7 times, nine letter word 9 times. 10 letter word 5 times, 11 letter words 4 times, 14 1 and 15 1. Okay, so this is what the alphabet count we are getting. Okay, I need to see that why this zero is basically taken. There might be some logically thing is incorrect. Okay, so that I need to check out that why we are getting that. Okay, because zero length word is nothing. Okay, so how can it be a occurrence as one? So that we need to see. Okay, so that I'll check it out that why we are getting this zeroth occurrence as one. Okay, rest of the output is yes, completely fine. Okay, so this is what your alphabet count is, guys. You got the point? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, if understood. Okay, so I'll share this file with you guys. Okay, and what you do is you try it out. Okay, try executing it and see that हाउ बेसिकली देखो रिड्यूसर का लॉजिक बिल्कुल सेम है जैसा वर्ड काउंट में था, वहाँ पे भी हम एग्रीगेशन कर रहे थे, यहाँ पे भी हम एग्रीगेशन कर रहे हैं रिड्यूसर में, जस्ट द डिफरेंस इज इन दी मैपर लॉजिक. ओके, so you just check that out. Okay, try doing this. Okay, then on Monday what we'll do is we'll proceed with some proceed further. Okay, so on Monday we'll start with a new topic. Okay, so hope you all are now clear about MapReduce, how basically we are working on data. I'll post another problem with you guys. Okay, that is something different from this word count thing. Okay, so that also I'll post with you. You check the code as well with that. Okay, अब देखो उस कोड को हमने किस तरह से मोल्ड किया है, and if you find any difficulty then we can discuss it on Monday. Okay, else what we'll do, we'll start with a new topic. Okay, so uh, this is what is for now. Okay, any doubts, anything? Map reducer is clear apart from Archel and Rogerson. Other than these two people, मुझे किसी और से आंसर मिलेगा yes or no का, या everyone is not just joined and not there? Yes, Koshinder, Ashish, you guys are there or not? Okay, ठीक है, तो समझ में आया मैप रिड्यूस? बेसिकली गाइज आप बोल सकते हो, अपना माइक ऑफ करो एंड यू कैन स्पीक आउट अनलेस एंड until you are in some you know
Yes,
premises or
ma'am. Yes, yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो आप जब मैं माइक ऑन करके बात कर रही हूँ आप लोग भी कर सकते हो ना?
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, because it is difficult for me to check every messages, no, so just say yes or no directly. This is an interactive session, otherwise ये similar to एक वीडियो लेक्चर की तरह हो गया ना, अगर कोई इंटरेक्शन नहीं होगा तो.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ashish, Birchand,
Yes, ma'am.
understood MapReduce now completely?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah. I do know the logical steps, but have a problem regarding the like execution and all that stuff. So I'll try out the same method that
Yes,
you
you
use.
try it out and see. I have shared yesterday only. I have shared these the steps to follow while you are executing the MapReduce program. This I'll share the screen. I've shared the file with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so there is a proper step by step direction how you need to proceed. Okay, this file. You able to see it? steps to run MapReduce?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so you follow these steps and you'll be able to execute your MapReduce program. Okay, if you like any by any chance, if you are lost somewhere, you can refer this file. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So, okay. So, guys, what we'll do is I'll share this alphabet count code. Okay. Try executing it, and I'll also share another problem which is different from this word count. Okay. See that file also. Observe the code. Okay. Try to understand what we have written in the logic. Okay, and then we can discuss. Okay. So we'll conclude the session for today, and let's continue on Monday. Okay,
Yes,
we'll
ma'am.
meet on
Thank you,
Monday.
ma'am.
Okay, guys. Thank you, everyone, and have a nice weekend. Just give me a minute. I'll just take a screenshot of your attendance. Okay, I'll just take a screenshot. Just hold on for a minute.